Veganish.
We're not gonna hold this one too long. This is because it's live and the music might not even go all the way through. But we definitely want to give a big shout out to the Phenomenal Women 2001 event. India was nominated 2021. I'm sorry, I'm so used to being in the 20s, the 2000s.
Yeah.
But 2000. Thank you. Oh, that was for her. Haha. So India got an award.
Should I show my award?
You can if you want to.
It's in my purse.
This is a market talks, but we live. We live at a women's event. Boom. India got a 2021 Phenomenal Woman. Look at all these phenomenal women around here. It's flooded. It's a bunch of them in here. So let's talk about hosting real quick. Hopefully you can hear me. Host an event, it takes time to build it and get it the way you want to get it. This is the first event, so there's no shade or nothing wrong with it. It's complimentary drinks with your ticket.
All night long.
Yeah, all night long, so that's not wrong, but they ran out of what I like, so, you know, that didn't work too
I
well.
wish they had champagne.
Right, champagne they were supposed to have, that didn't work out in our favor.
And you had to pay for water.
Yes, so you had to
Which
pay
should
for
be
water.
free.
It should be free, absolutely. So a couple of things. Let's go over the vegan option.
Yeah.
So there's corn, there's sweet potato, there's rice and beans, there's spinach.
That's it.
And I put my corn on India's plate, so that's why she has two. Now, I wish I could show you somebody else's plate.
Oh, the meat eater's got a nice
They
plate.
got a nice plate, and that's what happens at a lot of events. That's why we started Veg Fest 413, and that's why we started catering.
Yeah.
Because you go to a lot of events and a lot of stuff, and you just don't get that vegan plate that you want, and we should be slighted.
Yeah.
Right? If we're not eating meat, give me double the size if that's the case. You know, it shouldn't
That's a
be.
fact.
Yeah, it's just like I'm a 200-pounder. I need food. I'm ready to go home and cook right now at an event that I paid for. That I should go home full.
Yes, VIP.
Right, yeah,
Pay for
VIP.
this. You should definitely have a full plate meal.
Absolutely. Without having to go in that line is crazy. I don't know if you can see that line, but
All the way back to
that
the
line is real. That's a real line. So you just gotta be aware of your situation. Now, luckily, we've been doing this for several years, so we know this is definitely enough for us to get through and make it. We're only drinking champagne or what's that, wine. So that's not like gonna get you twisted. I did have a pineapple tequila, but that's not enough to make you feel so disoriented. But I can't only imagine if somebody was really drinking or going through it, drink a couple beers because all you can drink, and then for your vegan option, all you have is a little scoop of this, a little scoop of that. Now, mind you, they do have to accommodate everybody here, but what I'm saying is they get a big piece of fish, they get a big piece of chicken, they get some macaroni and cheese, and they got mashed potatoes. So there's extra option. Yeah, all that's gonna fill you up versus what we get for option. I talked to another vegan compadre of ours, Stella. She got an award. Congratulations to her.
Yeah.
And
Congratulations.
she was feeling the same way about it. Like, we just can't get vegan options. The only thing I will say was cool, and I'm gonna recommend that for every hosted event, is let the vegans eat first. That was awesome.
They did let the vegans eat first. But I will say that I want to give myself a kudos because I reached out to the host and I said, what are the vegan options? And she said, a salad bar. Wow. I said, oh, no. We need more options.
Oh, we appreciate you for that. Thank you. Because I would have been hangry.
A salad bar? No. Listen, it's easy. They gave us all sides, which is fine. But like Lamont said, it should have been double the amount because we're not getting 2 meat portions on our plate. So I'm just happy that they implemented some of the ideas that I gave. We were really looking for like some mushrooms or something. They didn't have that, but what we got is something's better than nothing, and it's way better than a fucking salad bar. Excuse my language.
She went in. We're not gonna hold this one too long. This is because it's live and the music might not even go all the way through. But we definitely want to give a big shout out to the Phenomenal Women 2001 event. India was nominated. 2021. I'm sorry. I'm so used to being in the 20s, the 2000s.
Yeah.
From 2000 to the 99. I'm that old, right?
Had a good
So
time.
yeah.
My heels didn't make it.
Her
but
heels didn't make it. My
I'm
shoes
here.
didn't make it. I got sneakers on. We cool. Maybe we find some pictures that intersect and show you what we look like in here. But other than that, it was a really good event. We appreciate having us, and thank you for at least having a vegan option for us. That was awesome. That's big. I mean, I'm not knocking the option. I'm just suggesting, let us get a double.
Yeah.
That's all.
I just want to say that every time we do go to things, it's just a learning experience for us when we're throwing events on how to get better and be better and better serve the people who are vegan and non-vegan. We want to bring the communities together and have options, because when people think about diets or healthy food, vegan food, plant-based food, they think about less options, and we want to change that. We want to have more options and less restrictions. So.
Yeah, that's really it, man. She closed that out very well. She's a phenomenal woman. Catch us next time on more market talks. We didn't make the market today because we had to get prepared for this. So we're doing our market talk now. We got to go back and get the baby. So it's just a matter of us just putting it together. The sweet potatoes are sweet. The beans are good. Everything's good. I got to get the name of the cooks because they were good. We were talking to them. They were very informative in the line. Bunch of young brothers doing their thing out of Meriden, Connecticut. I just don't know the name of the restaurant. Maybe I'll find it and I'll put it up. Mind, Body, and Soul Food. There you go. India got an elephant mind, so there you go. She remembers. Shout out to y'all. Thank you. Everybody's fed well. I'm not gonna say they're not. It's just the vegan option. That's all. Other than that, good job, y'all. All right. So until next time, peace. They're good.
Yes! This is the best sauce ever. I am so excited to see you here. I've been waiting all year to get this sauce.
You don't gotta wait no longer.
I don't have to wait any longer. Yes! Come get your everything sauce.